Hello, guys. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Hello, guys. I just want to hit on a couple of things. Um, well, some common myths that people talk about when it comes to life insurance. A couple of more things like it's too expensive, my job coverage is enough, I'm too young for life insurance, or I can't get coverage because of my health. Okay, these things sound familiar. Does it sound familiar to you? I know it sounds familiar to me because I at one point said at least one of these things, right? Okay, so let's hit it. Let's jump onto it. It's too expensive. Yes, life insurance can be expensive depending on different things like, of course, your health or your coverage amount that you purchase or the type of life insurance. The main one is the type of life insurance that you get. That's why it's very important that you have someone to educate you. Just don't jump out there willy nilly, say, I'm going to go on here and I'm going to get this life insurance without knowing how this life insurance is going to work for you, right? So make sure you're speaking to someone that can break down the life insurance and show you how it works for you. Okay. The next one is my job coverage is enough. I have enough on my job. But do you know? If you lose your job, guess what else you're going to lose? Exactly. Your life insurance coverage. So it's best to get it while you're working, right? So if that job just so happened you go in one day and they said they're gonna lay you off or fire you for whatever reason, they downsizing, then you got to start right back over. And at this time, maybe your health, maybe you have recently had a health scare, and then you have to wait some years before you could even get coverage because of that new health scare. So it's best to get that coverage when you can get it, regardless if you have it at work or not. And then the next thing is, I'm too young for life insurance. Well, you know what? I looked it up. I looked it up. And do you know from the ages 20 to 29, the reasons why there's so many deaths between those ages are because of accident, homicide, and suicide. Now, I know all of us have known someone, or if you live long enough, you will know someone or heard of someone, friends, family that have died just when no one knew, right? No one knew it was going to happen. An accident, homicide, suicide. You don't know what a person is going through. So you should never say you're too young, right? You never say you're too young. Parents, don't think your kids are too young. Help them get that life insurance, okay? Let them answer those questions. You just take care of it and pay that policy for them to make sure they're covered, okay? And then another myth is I can't afford it because of my health. How do you know? Have you looked into it? How long have you had that ailment? How long has it been since you even talked to someone to see if you're healthy enough now to get that coverage? Maybe, maybe the policy that you want is too high, right? Bring it down some. Maybe you'll be able to afford that life insurance. Maybe you'll be able to get it. So who knows, guys? Look me up. Look me up, like my page, share my page, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have an awesome day.